Welcome to another comparison video. Today we will be looking at how Midjourney version 5.2 compares to version 6. Now this one was a favorite. Let's take a second look. Let's test some cinematic shots. Version 6 here has incredible detail. I love this prompt. Let's check how other tools compare to version 6. And finally, let's see the development of Midjourney over time. How do you like Midjourney's developments? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.